In front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off high performance mode. Start by launching settings and scrolling to hit battery. Now tap on high performance mode available here, and to activate it, choose turn on in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance was successfully enabled. To disable it, tap on any other mode, like balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!